Sales Tax Report Review. Some features discussed in this video are not available in all the editions of MaxxTraxx. Please visit scottsystems.com for comparisons between the different versions. MaxxTraxx is a built-in sales tax report to reference when filling out your state sales tax returns. The report tracks sales made and tax collected from taxable, resale, and non-taxed repair orders. To access the report, go to the Reports drop-down and click the Company Reports button. On the left side of the window, click the Financial category, and then double-click on the Tax Summary Report, or highlight it and click the Run Report button. A filter window will open to select the date range for the report. Click the Print button once you have selected the date range you are looking for. The report will open on your screen to the first page, which is your default state tax rate page. If you have any special tax rates, non-taxed repair orders and parts counter invoices, or resale tax repair orders and parts counter invoices, those pages will follow. On this report, the second page is the resale or tax exempt breakdown. The last page is the grand totals page. There will always be at least two pages, the default tax rate and the totals, but some shops may have more. Looking at the report, the pages are divided into 4 areas. Remember, this page is for repair orders and parts counter invoices that were closed at the default state sales tax rate. The upper left is the Taxable at Parts Tax Rate section. This is for parts, fluids, and other consumable goods or products that are taxed. The total sales, returns, discounts, and warranties are listed, along with the total. The upper right is for non-taxed parts, non-taxed miscellaneous fees or disposal charges, and other items that would fall into the parts category but were not taxed. The lower left section is for taxable labor sales, sublets, and inspections. In my state, labor is not taxed, so there would be no taxable labor sales listed there. The lower right section is for non-taxed labor sales. Again, because labor is not taxed where I am, the sales figures would appear there. Note at the bottom of the page it shows the total tax amounts collected. This figure is the total taxable sales multiplied by your tax rate. The second page on this report is for repair orders and parts counter invoices closed at the resale tax rate. This would be situations where the owner of a vehicle has a resale license on record with your shop. The layout of the page is the same across the reports. The upper left is taxable parts and fluids. The upper right is non-taxed parts and fluids. The lower left is taxable labor, and the lower right is non-taxable labor. Note the bottom of the page lists the tax collected as 0, as resale sales are exempt from taxes. If a part or labor is listed as taxable, it appears on this report as taxable sales at a 0% tax rate. The final page lists the grand totals. For many state tax filings, this is where you will start your entries, as you will input your total sales, then deduct non-taxed entries such as resale items. The page layout is the same as the previous pages. Note that the lower right corner totals all parts and labor sales. After reviewing the numbers, you can print out or save the report using the buttons at the top of the page. It's always a good idea to print out or save the paid repair orders and parts invoices with averages report as a backup document. If a repair order payment is voided then reclosed in a different tax reporting period, you could end up paying sales tax twice on that repair order. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.